gang, I want to give you a little bit of review today of this LAGOM camp saw. This folding camp saw was actually provided to me by LAGOM. They heard that I was going on a camping trip and sent this to me in exchange for an honest review. I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, absolutely love this camp saw. As you can see, it's got about an 11.5-inch blade. It made easy work of anything that we threw at it. We were in an area that didn't have a lot of ground level firewood, but it had a lot of felled trees, and so we were able to cut branches, large and small, off of this without issue. It also is a locking design, so there's no fear of it coming open in your pack, and it's very lightweight. While this does have a great carbon steel blade, the handle itself is a very lightweight design, but then they've gone back and put a rubberized plastic on it to make it very comfortable and easy to use. Overall, I really enjoyed this. I really think this is a great camp saw. If you're looking for a good folding camp saw, check this one out from LAGOM. I think it's the way to go. 5 out of 5 stars.